I am thrilled to welcome you all to the University of Delaware for this historic event. This morning we formally break ground on the Bloom Energy Manufacturing Center, the California company's first East Coast facility. Without doubt, today is a celebration of many things we cherish as a community. Clean energy leadership, economic development that marries cutting-edge science and technology with a strong manufacturing base, good jobs for hard-working Delawareans, an abiding commitment to discovery, invention, and innovation as the way forward.
You know, for generations, the Chrysler plant that used to be right here built cars that powered down our nation's highways. And blocks away, the University of Delaware built on its campus generation after generation of innovation and innovators to help power our nation's economy as well.
I want to talk to you about three simple things. Why the state of Delaware? Why Bloom Energy? And why this marriage between Bloom Energy and the state of Delaware? Well, as you would expect, when we started looking for building a factory in the East Coast. And why did we start thinking about building a factory in the East Coast? It was because we had started in California with Fortune 500 customers with whom we had experimented our systems. They were very happy with their experience.
And I just want to ask, Cal, would you just tell people one of the places that the Bloom Energy got its start out in California? Would you just mention what that location was?
That same hobby shop was the garage that was given to me for free by NASA for 5 years. And if you're in Silicon Valley, you know what that means. Free rent is phenomenal. And that's where we got started. So that's the garage where Bloom got started.
KR has a secret. KR has a secret that even till this moment, he will not reveal to me. What is the catalyst? Well, I'll start. What is a catalyst? As the only chemist in the Congress, I like to play a little bit at being a scientist. A catalyst is something we all know a little bit about. The Durangos that used to roll off the line here, Jim, had catalytic converters in them, right? And a catalyst is something that brings things together and facilitates a reaction. Fuel cells are well-known, long-established technology. So what's the difference? The catalyst. There is a catalyst in that humming box that has solved a century-old challenge. How do you make solid oxide fuel cells work in a way that is safe, that is clean, and is affordable? And someone has the answer to that question. And he won't tell me what the catalyst is. But you know what? In his introduction, in his acceptance of the open-armed greeting of our community, he's really told us what the catalyst is. The catalyst that has brought this together today and made it work. The catalyst that reduced the reaction coordinates, that made it possible more cheaply, more efficiently, more inexpensively for this groundbreaking to happen here is Governor Markell.
And the key driver of that ecosystem that's been created here with Bloom Energy are the customers that are adopting the technology that Bloom has pioneered in its manufacturing. And we have next a panel of some of the customers who will describe that to you. It's a diverse group. It includes a gas utility, an electric utility, one of the world's leading manufacturers of building material systems, and the world's largest communications company. So I'm going to ask the panel members to come forward as I
I'm going to talk about three important goals we have at the company, and we get into our best relationships with other businesses when we align our goals with theirs. One of our first goals that our customers expect from us is to keep the lights on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, every day of the year.
As the first installed East Coast customer for Bloom Energy, we've been following the company for a long time. We recently completed the construction of our LEED Gold certified operating center in Springfield, Virginia, and we have a Bloom cell operating there.
We have a core business strategy that is our sustainability strategy, and in that strategy there's three key elements, and they overlap a lot. And the first one is around greening our operations, which is a footprint reduction.
Well, there's no question that everybody in the room would really like to continue to have a very reliable source of telecommunications and information transfer. And what I would say is it's very exciting to be here. This is a great time in the industry. It's really a great time for Delaware. And it's really a part that AT&T has played a big role in. Reliability is probably the biggest thing that we have.
The leadership we've got here, bar none, because we've been in most states in this country, are at the very top. So Governor, you and your team, this is why we're here. And you've talked, we've talked about the technology. You've heard from our customers. If it was easy to build this kind of technology, everybody would be doing it.